You know that feeling when you slip off your shoes and suddenly remember, ugh, cracked heels again? Yeah, I've been there too. And it's honestly no fun. But hey, don't stress about fancy creams or expensive pedicures. Today I'll walk you through my favorite way to fix cracked heels fast, right at home, using things you probably already have. Day 1 is all about soaking and softening. So grab a basin or even use your bathtub. Fill it with warm, not hot, water, and add a handful of Epsom salt. If you don't have that, regular salt works too. Now, let your feet soak for about 15 minutes. It feels pretty relaxing, and honestly, this step alone makes a big difference. Once your skin feels soft, it's time to exfoliate. Gently use a pumice stone or even a clean washcloth to rub away dead skin. Don't go overboard, just smooth out the rough patches. Rinse your feet and pat them dry. Here's my secret weapon, coconut oil. If you don't have coconut oil, olive oil totally works. Massage a thick layer onto your heels and the balls of your feet. It locks in moisture and starts healing those cracks. Now pull on a pair of clean cotton socks. This helps the oil soak in overnight. All right, day 2. Consistency is key. In the morning, wash your feet and pat them dry. You might notice your skin already feels a little smoother. Repeat the soak, scrub, and oil routine in the evening. Seriously, your feet will thank you. If you want an extra boost, mash up half a ripe banana and spread it on your heels before the oil. Sounds weird, works wonders. Banana is packed with vitamins that help repair skin. Now let's talk about what not to do. Don't pick at the cracks or use sharp tools. It's tempting, but it can cause more harm than good. Keep it gentle and let the moisture do the work. Day 3. By now you should notice a real difference. Your heels will feel softer, the cracks will look way less scary, and it's honestly kind of satisfying to see how much they've improved. Stick with the soak and oil routine for one more night. If you want, you can add a few drops of tea tree oil to your coconut oil. It helps with any lingering roughness and smells amazing. Here's a bonus tip. After your heels have healed, just keep up with the routine once or twice a week. It's way easier to prevent cracks than to fix them. So next time you look down and see those pesky cracks, remember, you don't need fancy products or a trip to the spa. Just a little time, some simple kitchen staples, and a dose of self-care can totally transform your heels in just 3 days. Thanks for hanging out with me. Go show off those smooth feet.